What you see before you are part of my solar calculations so that I can backfeed into the grid. The top row is material that's input into ncalculators.com. They have solar panel calculations that will do series, parallel, and will allow you to figure out amps, watts, voltages on different configurations. It's a very handy website. ncalculators.com. Okay, the next row is information that I have given to the it's called generators. I can't even tell you right now. Generator, customergeneration.com at Consumers Power. This is where you have to go to get approval to hook up to Consumers Power lines, and I've been working on it. I've been working on it all summer. I'm down to 3 items that they wanted in this last setup. They refused to grant me permission as of yet, and some of this stuff is just wacko what they're asking for, but I'll give it to them. I'll keep submitting until I get it approved. And here we go. I have over here, there are 3 items that they wanted. One of them is they didn't like the DC calculation I had for the solar panels because I used the nameplate, and that's what they call it, nameplate. I used nameplate of the inverter. Okay. Number 2, I had to change this. NEC says a switch. Consumers Power says it must be a bladed type disconnect to backfeed. And what I had was a switch in a box that was lockable and taggable, the whole deal. Number 3 thing on that list is a stupid thing. It says it was disqualified because it did not have the meter number. Well, that's bull. The meter number is right there if you can zoom in. Meter number. Guess what? It's over here too. See that red circle? It's right there. It's on the back of my bill. It's the same doggone number that's on the meter base. So I wrote a forward letter to this and said, if you don't like that, please send somebody out and show me what number you want, because that is my meter number. So I'm looking at getting approval in the next couple of weeks and being able to attach my solar to it. I do believe that solar framework will go up this next week, and I look forward to giving an update on that. A shout out to Off-Grid Mike out there in Arizona. He is doing a wonderful job with his sand battery. I wish him all the luck in the world. He's diligent. He's been working on it. He hasn't been working any harder on that than I've been working on this. It's just that I don't have anything to show at this point, and he does. So, Mike, Off-Grid Survival Mike, thumbs up, buddy. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.